How to transfer specific album to Dropbox on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer specific album to Dropbox on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and here just go down and click this one, transfer a copy of your information, and then click next, and here just click Dropbox and click none. This one here if you want to transfer only your specific album, and then click specific album and select any album here and click next and then next, and now just connect your Facebook with Dropbox. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.